art form to this, and I've done this many times, but perhaps the people on this time together today haven't seen it. We need to look at whether we are in a power over, power under position. The person who's in a power under position may get tired of being there and move out. And then this person, if they're going to stay in a power over position, has to find somebody else underneath them. The person in the power under position may then choose to shift. Maybe they're tired of being hurt and they shift into kind of a rage. And then you've got this power against dynamic. But what we all need to shift in, if together we are going to create, co-create, and manifest a peaceful, powerful, prosperous planet, is a reconnection. And I don't even know what word to use here. You can call it a reconnection with God, Allah, universal energy, Brahman, power greater than myself, Gaia, whatever words have meaning for each of us, and it's going to be different for each of us. And by being in that reconnection and allowing spirit or energy to flow through you and manifest out into the world, you're in a very stable place. It feels stable, and you then attract other people in, but it's not static. It's dynamic. But when you stop the motion, you've got the Christian symbol for prayer and the Buddhist symbol for namaste.